I miss your dad. It's so big.
Oh! My mother as an actress.
Jennifer Aniston. Is that me? Wait again. Viola Davis.
Okay.
That's a self-portrait. What look are you going for today? Maui or The Rock?
Ma, maging totoo ka nga sa akin. Mahal ba talaga ako ng tatay ko?
Tangina, tanungin mo yung abo sa kwarto. Ako na magtatanong. Is your daddy's favorite? I remember the way he eats me.
Oh.
The food, I mean. The food. Did you buy that? This what? Yeah, the Chick-fil-A. Did you know that your brother is a gay? Huh? Huh?
That's right. That's right. Supporting homophobia, dang.